Would you want an exceptional house or a premium lot? How about a property that doesn't ask you to compromise? This Mountain Gate home on Bull Mountain pairs a custom Mark Stewart design with one of the neighborhood's most desirable settings. Positioned on a quiet corner lot at the entrance of a cul-de-sac, it has the kind of presence that turns heads. Built with 2x6 construction and extensively updated over the years, this one-owner home with over 3,100 square feet features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a dedicated office, formal and informal living spaces, an oversized 3-car garage, and an insulated workshop. The remodeled kitchen has walnut cabinetry, granite countertops, a large island, Dacor 6-burner gas cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, warming drawer, wine refrigerator, appliance garage, and the rare convenience of 3 built-in dishwashers. Hardwood floors, plantation shutters, custom millwork, vaulted ceilings, and tall windows reflect the quality and craftsmanship found throughout the home. The family room opens on one side to a Trex deck with a hot tub, and a covered patio in the back that has an outdoor kitchen complete with an infrared barbecue, granite countertops, sink with hot and cold water, disposal and refrigerator, plus a gas fireplace, smart TV, and sound system, creating a great space for entertaining or relaxing at home. Upstairs, the primary suite features vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet with organizer, recently remodeled bath with dual vanities, soaking tub, and a walk-in shower with dual heads. 3 additional large bedrooms and a beautifully updated hall bath complete the upper level. Recent improvements include a new gas fireplace and central air, a 50-year presidential roof, gutters and skylight, water heater, Canadian cedar siding, and a major kitchen remodel. Just minutes from parks, golf, shopping, dining, and entertainment, this is a rare opportunity to own a high-quality home on a premium lot in one of Bull Mountain's most sought-after neighborhoods. Thanks for touring with me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be the first to be notified of all my latest listings.